Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this Hyundai remote key fob. What we need to do is we need to remove this black cover here to gain access to the battery. So first, we put the key fob blade into the upright position so we can get our fingers and thumbs in the groove here and just open the case like that. It's just as simple as that. And there is your key fob battery. We can just get a little screwdriver, get underneath the battery and just prise it from its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We just simply get our new key fob battery and we just place it back into the housing like so, making sure that the writing on the battery is facing upwards and we know it's in its correct location. And now it's time just to pop it all back together. So we get the cover, make sure it all lines up, and we just click it back in place. And there you go. It's all done.